Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use Zotero. Firstly, visit the Zotero website and download the desktop application. Install the application on your computer. Ensure Microsoft Word is closed before installation to properly enable Zotero's Word integration. Now, install it on your preferred browser, which is the Zotero browser connector. Install it on Chrome, Firefox, Safari or Edge. This allows you to save sources directly from the web to your Zotero library. Use the Zotero connector to your browser to save articles, books, or web pages directly to your Zotero library. Alternatively, you can manually add sources. Open the Zotero desktop app and click on the plus icon and select the type of source to add details manually. To use Zotero in Microsoft, open a Word document. A Zotero tab should now appear in Word after proper installation. Place your cursor where you want to insert a citation and click Add Edit Citation in the Zotero tab. Select the source from your Zotero library and insert it. Once your paper is complete, click Insert Edit Bibliography in the Zotero tab, and it will automatically generate a properly formatted bibliography using the sources you've cited in the document. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.